Did you hear that smart campaigns are dead in Google Ads? They're being replaced by Performance Max campaigns for everyone. So here's what you need to know from an ex-Googler. In my experience, Performance Max campaigns are not suitable if you're a small business owner, a beginner to Google Ads, or you're launching a new Google Ads account. Why? It's all about understanding how the inputs and outputs work in Performance Max. In order for Performance Max to work, you need 4 key inputs. Excellent audience data, like first-party data for a customer match list, accurate full funnel conversion tracking, looking at you, lead gen folks, compelling text, image, and video assets with constant creative testing, and sufficient budget and patience to allow the campaign to learn. You know who doesn't have these 4 things? Small business owners, Google Ads beginners, and those starting new Google Ads accounts. Now, what about the outputs? Performance Max does not provide anywhere near the same level of transparency and control that you might be used to with a search campaign. Smart campaigns didn't either, but with a smart campaign, there was really nothing you could do about it. It was just such a basic pared down campaign type. However, with Performance Max, there's a lot you can do about it. It's just really convoluted and confusing to figure out how. Let me share just a few examples of how Performance Max is kind of the same, but kind of different, but kind of still the same as other campaign types when you're trying to optimize. First, exclusions. You can add brand exclusions and brand restrictions to a Performance Max campaign. For those keeping up, a brand exclusion allows you to avoid serving ads when someone searches for your brand or a competitor brand. A brand restriction is the opposite. It lets you only serve ads when someone's searching for your brand or a competitor brand. But you can't add negative keywords to a Performance Max campaign like you can with search, unless you ask a Google rep to do it for you, in which case you can. And the account level negative keywords would apply to the PMax, but also to every other campaign in the account. And by the way, in Performance Max, you have a search themes report, not a search terms report. Yes, those are 2 different things. Are you still with me? Okay, the second way that PMax and search are like same but different but still same is in Performance Max, you can provide an audience signal, optional, and you can provide search themes, optional, but it's not the same as audience targeting or keywords because ultimately AI decides who sees your ads. Unlike any other kind of campaign where you do get to choose your audience targeting, your content targeting, your keyword targeting, and that is who will see your ads. You with me on that one? Okay, third, Performance Max campaigns don't have ad groups, they have asset groups. In an asset group, you can have up to 15 headlines, 5 long headlines, 1 short description, 4 long descriptions, 20 images, 5 logos, and 5 videos. You have to provide text and images, but if you don't provide a video, Google will automatically create a video for you unless you turn that feature off. And the options you have for your audience signal are the same as audience targeting options in other campaign types, except in Performance Max, you can add a custom interest, which is similar to, but not the same as a custom segment. What's the difference, you ask? Well, a custom segment lets you target people who browse certain types of websites, use certain types of apps, or search for certain types of things on Google. A custom interest has 2 of those capabilities around websites and apps, but it doesn't let you show ads to people based on what they've searched for on Google, although it does let you show ads to people based on what Google believes are their interests and behaviors. Yeah, you still with me? So while overall, I think it's great that smart campaigns are finally gone, Performance Max is just not ready to be that all-encompassing solution, especially for Google Ads beginners, small business owners, and new accounts. So if you want a little help with this stuff, you can join my membership program inside Google Ads, where I show you everything you need to know to run Performance Max successfully. Or if you need a little more one-on-one help, you can book a call with me.